Modding the Sims and need to view or edit a TXR texture file from the game? These store the textures for everything from clothing to furniture. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these Sims texture files. To quickly determine if the TXR file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. A TXR file is a texture file primarily associated with the Sims series of games. Users searching for this are almost always players or modders looking to create or install custom content, such as clothing, furniture, or objects. The file contains the image data that wraps around a 3D model to give it color and surface detail. This is a proprietary, often compressed bitmap format designed by Maxis. It was engineered to efficiently store texture maps, color, bump, specularity for in-game assets. The format balances visual fidelity with the performance and memory constraints of the game engine, ensuring smooth gameplay while supporting a vast library of customizable objects. The common standard viewer for TXR is typically the SimPE from Maxis Electronic Arts. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows cannot unwrap asset bundles or level data, so specialized tools must be used. The solution is usually simple compatibility. Right-click your TXR file and choose Open With. If the Sims/SimPE is there, test it now. If not, choose another application. Keep going until the TXR file opens. If your TXR file is not opening yet, that is normal. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, extracting with SimPE. Download and install SimPE, the comprehensive Sims modding tool. Open SimPE and use the file browser to navigate to your Sims installation. Open FAR archive files containing TXR resources. Select texture entries to view the embedded image data and use the export function to save textures as standard image formats for editing. Next, editing with Sims tools. Use Transmogrifier or Sim Enhancer for editing the Sims textures. These tools open TXR files directly displaying texture content for modification. Edit textures using built-in tools or export to PNG or BMP for editing in Photoshop or GIMP, then re-import the modified textures back into the TXR format for game use. Finally, repackaging for game. After editing textures, repackage modified TXR files into FAR archives or place them in the appropriate Sims downloads folder. Test the modified textures by launching the Sims and viewing the affected objects or characters. Restart the game if textures don't appear correctly to ensure the game engine reloads the updated texture cache. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.